See this guys, by just creating professional resumes, you can see this guy is earning $120 and more than 480 people he has already served. You can see this $55 and more than 1000 people. Guys, how people are actually earning this much amount of money by just creating professional resumes. How do you want to know how you yourself can earn good amount of money by no skill, guys, no skill required. You just need to do the copy paste work and you are good to go. Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just working from home. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating resumes for others. Yes guys, you can do it absolutely free of cost how they are earning worldwide. Okay, you just come up here guys. Okay, so what you need to type here is resume. Okay, you just need to type resume and you can provide these services. You can see this guys. I will design a creative content. You can see this edit and resume for you and LinkedIn profile, and you can see this $55 he is charging from 1000 plus members. You can see this $145 she is getting from 1000 plus members. You can see this guys, they are absolutely amazing. Okay, so what they are doing, how they are doing, I'm going to show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by doing this. So for that guys, what you need to come up here, okay, just come up here and come up here in this canva.com. okay, so you might not heard that in canva.com you can create resume. You can see this guys. Okay, you can search here in resume. Okay, and there are hundreds and hundreds of templates that are available for you guys, which are absolutely free of cost. You can see this guys, these are what you need to do is to do some modification part. Okay, that's it guys, that's it. You just need to do modification. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. It's absolutely amazing. So how to create a gig, I just show you. So just come up here and just come up here and just click on this switch to selling. Okay, and what you need to do is to just click on this share your gig and you are redirected to this page. Okay, so what you need to do is to just come up here and just click on this create a new gig. So what I need to do here, I will create a professional resume for you. Okay, so you can type it and just click on this resume writing. Okay guys, you can give it in any language guys, okay, which is compatible. Okay, industry you can select business purpose. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, I just need to type resume. Okay, resume writing and resume writer, CV. Okay, and LinkedIn. Okay, so these are the top keywords which will help you to give the clients. Okay, just click on the save and continue. Okay guys, this dot is not appear. Okay, so just do it do keep it in mind. Okay, so it is already done. You can see this. What I need to select here is the price part. Okay guys, you can just select the package name as basic, standard, okay, and premium. You can select this. Okay, you can give 2 resume templates. Okay, and you can select a basic category for this. Okay, and 5 resume templates. Okay, you can give delivery time 4 days, 3 days and 2 days. You can select. Okay, 2 days you can select, and delivery time I just need to do the revision part. Okay guys, so and I just need to select the price. Okay, so I just gave you minimum price what you can select, $35. Okay, $40, and here you can select $50. Okay, and you can give extra time if you want. In one day you can set up that for one day delivery I can charge extra. Okay, as per your guys, as per your preference you can select your price. Okay, you can see this. I have just quickly do it for you. You can see. So these are the additional dates, guys. If you just give guaranteed this for one day delivery, then there are great chance that you will get clients. Okay, so this is a perception that you need to create. So I just need to give some description about my gig, so I just quickly do it for you. So guys, I have created a small description for you. I can create a professional resume as per your profession, which will help you to land up in your dream job, and I will have more than 20 templates of resume. So you can select this type of thing, guys, that I am having more than 20 templates. Okay, so you can set up your template. Okay, as per your requirement I can create a good resumes for you. Okay, as per your niche, as per your subject. So I just need to click on the save and continue button. You can see this, and you can see this, guys, requirement, description of the client, or we can say that person. Okay, so I just need to get a description about my client. Okay, otherwise I cannot tell them that what are the skills that are required. Okay, so this is a gig photo that you can create, guys. What you can do here is to just come up here in this canva.com. Okay, so you can download this in PDF format. You can see this, guys, in PDF format you can download. Okay, it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. You can see this, and what I need to suggest you is to download it in any format. Okay, this is a quality of canva.com. Okay, you can select in PNG format as well. Okay, and download some set of 2 to 3 templates. You can see this, guys. These are absolutely free of cost. You can see this. These are absolutely free of cost. Okay, so what you can do is to I just need to first download these images. You can see this. Okay, I have downloaded. Okay, guys, so I have successfully did it, and the PDF you can also do. Okay, untitled design PDF. You can see this, guys. Okay, so it will take some time to do that part, and you can see this, guys, your gig is almost ready. So what you can do, guys, I just gave you a glimpse that if a person is ask you about your phone number, the client's phone number, you can do the modification on this. You can modifications on client's email ID, website and address. You can just take these small things, and you just need to align those things. That's it, guys. Okay, you do not have to do anything. You can see this, guys, specialization you can ask, or there are inbuilt specialization as well. You can see this, which people have already created. You can see this, there are hundreds and hundreds of skills that you can use, and more than 20 templates. You can see this, guys, more than 20 templates this website will offer you. So you can suggest them in the format of pictures and all. Okay, so that your client will be get an idea of engagement that this client is good. Okay, so you just need to click on save and continue, and you are good to go, guys. Okay, so this is thing that I just need to click on this. Okay, so this is the only thing that you can do, and you can earn a good amount of money by just sharing your gig on this platform. You can see this, guys. Okay, so I hope you get an insight, guys, how to do it, what to do it, and you just come up here and do some modifications part. So it's very easy. Just go now, create your account on this fiverr.com and started earning money from right now. Okay, this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.